My name's Martin Brennan. 4 years ago, whilst transitioning out of a career, I started to explore coaching and was fortunately pointed towards the CTI structure. A little bit sceptical, if I'm brutally honest, but I gave it a go, did the fundamentals in a weekend, and was actually blown away by the whole process and got me hooked on the whole sort of coaching framework that CTI promotes. Been on a journey since then, 2-year journey of doing all the different modules and then eventually getting certified, which I'm very proud of. Adapting now into what I'd really like to show off is my niche area, because everybody used to tell me, you've got to get a niche, Martin, you've got to get a niche, and it didn't really resonate or land with me. So I kind of left it for a while and just focused on what I did as a previous job and coaching. And that worked for me because what I realised at the end of that sort of process was I was able to lean into my previous experience and now my new coaching experience, which was the creation of what we call now is TGR Coaching. TGR Coaching stands for the Green Room. And the Green Room, as you can see, is this. It's somewhere where you can physically go or consciously go. And I'm able to lean into my previous experience in serious organised crime, police. I was in the police force for 30 years and my expertise was demand-led kidnaps. And going through the process, I suddenly realised that actually the only way that we could safely release hostages is if we were willing to negotiate with the hostage takers. And that's something that we brought into the model now into the Green Room. So the Green Room is somewhere where you can go, pause and stop and make sense of what's going on in and around certain circumstances. And for me in the coaching world, I truly believe there's a lot of things that can hijack our thoughts and feelings and behaviours. And once we step into a green room, we're able to start to negotiate and take some control. So we've developed this into mental gym exercises, human performance, and becoming vulnerable really, accepting that we're not always in control, life is challenging. But for the process of coaching and leaning into my previous world and then working with the beneficiaries of the blue light services, the military, to sort of help them to create a space where we can negotiate through coaching with the things that hijack their thoughts and let them bypass that with well-being hacks and things that can support them over the journey of the coaching and beyond. It's been a brilliant journey for me in terms of coming out of the police, then going through the coaching, through CTI, and then creating this Green Room TGR coaching and blending the two skills together and, you know, giving something back to the beneficiaries, of which I'm very, very passionate about in terms of maintaining their well-being and preventing them from burning out.